What's up everybody, here in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an EAS on iPad using CapCut Pad, iFont, and KineMaster 5. Let's begin. So what you're going to do first, open up iFont, and what you're going to do, I'll have the website font down link in the description, VCREAS. And for this one, here's the font you want to install. Once you install it, open up KineMaster 5. First on Create New. So once you have the Create New area, head into Media, head to Photo, go to Image Assess, choose the black screen, extend this like this. Be sure that you gotta have it 30 seconds. Next, head to Layer, press on Add Text, and then next just type in Emergency Alert System, all capitalized. Next, head to Font, head into Recent, and here's the VCREAS font. Next, make it as small as this. And then just extend it like to the video. Next, duplicate the text. And then next, edit it with broadcast with any issuer you want. For mine, I'm going to do National Weather Service. Be sure to have it like as small as the same text while you duplicate it. Next, duplicate it again. Next, type in next, edit the text to issued A or issued N. So next, duplicate it, and then just type in practice/demo warning. You can do that alert type, or any others. Okay.
It's fine, just leave it.
Okay.
Hang outside for a bit.
Okay. So now we got to the alert type.
Come turn the tablet off over there.
Okay. Next, duplicate the text again, but except you want to edit the text for the text scroll. So I can teach you how to. So I'll teach you with the text scroll for you with that. So this National Weather Service. And right on the left of the issuer, type in the, and then do the same thing. On the left of the issuer of civil authorities, do the or without it. And then for EAS participant, on the left side of it, place down N. If it's broadcast station or cable system or primary entry point system, just place down an A on the left of it. So that's why I'm gonna put down the write in the text, the National Weather Service, and then just do has issued A, or have issued A, have issued A, have issued N, or have issued, or have issued N. I think. Just don't worry about undo typing. So KineMaster 5 allows longer texts than its original version, because this is the older version, and it allows longer texts than the original KineMaster ones. So once you put down the alert type, on the right side of it, put down for the following counties. Sorry, my microphone had to be loud in the keyboard. And then just put down your the counties you wanted.
We're just waiting on the bus. So you gotta go look.
Okay. Okay.
Come here, give me loves.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
Have a good day, my love.
Okay. So now once you do the counties, you can next put down the state. And then if you want to do further notice or the month, date, and year and time, you can do that. So for mine, I'll do that.
Bub, the bus will be here in 5 minutes to wrap it up.
Okay.
Because when I say time for the bus, then you need to get out and go up towards the road.
Okay.
Go where the gravel stops, the rocks stop.
Okay. And guys, if you want, you can do what year your EAS want to be issued. And as you can see, this is how long my text is. So what you're gonna do, place it all the way at the end of the video here. Next, press here, which is the keyframe. Next, head over all the way to the end of the video. Press here, which really is the keyframe. And then next, just move the text all the way to the end of the video. Well, although you don't want your text scroll to go up and down. So that's why I'm trying to fix it. So now I fixed it. And now, here we go. Now here's the results of the screen. So once you have the screen done, what you're going to do, export it. Save as video. And then it'll just save as a video. Like this. So, that's the font you want to do. VCR EAS. Next, once you have the video exported, open up CapCut Pad. Press on Create New. Although, the CapCut Pad is close enough to CapCut's PC edition. Like that. Next, head to import here, import from photos, and then choose the KineMaster video you've done. Then just next add it. And then if you want to delete the icon, don't use the KineMaster preview. Just make the screen big as this. Next, what you're gonna do, add some audio. So if you want, you're gonna have to screen record the audio. So yeah. So that's why I'm going to import the screen recording I done.
Okay, time to end it. Your bus will be here in less than a minute.
Okay. Now part 2 will be coming out soon, guys. So, yeah. So, yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.